Students, today we will continue our chapter 3 and the today's topic is custom sorts. Okay, so I'll show you what is custom sort and how we can do it. Okay, so take out page number 36. So these are our list. Firstly we have to select it and in data option we have to select the option. Here we have to put sort by. We can edit them also. Sort by item, sort by unit price. I can select the sort by unit price and the values, cell color, font color, cell icon. I can stop on values. Here I choose the largest to smallest are given here. We can also change it and choose the custom list. Sorry. And these are the custom lists. As you can see, here are the name added. Okay, so we have to click OK button. Then we also click it on OK. We can click OK button and you can see that the data are arranged in unit price. The largest, book is in the first because the price of book is higher. Then copy, then pencil, pen, then pencil. Okay, so it can arrange our data into unit price, value, quantity in many ways which we want. Okay, we can change this data. In the book you can see that the options are available here. In the first step we have to select this option sort, and the second we have to select the sort by. We can also sort it into unit price. Then third is we have to select the values, and fourth is custom list. Okay, I'll also show you custom list. We can choose the custom list here. Okay, and then click OK. Here you can see that low to high means the lists are arranged in the form of low to high, but here I can arrange the list in high to low option. Okay, so and then we can click the add button and click OK, and we will get our desired result. Okay, filtration is very easy topic. So this is your homework to understand this topic. Okay, and if you have any doubt related this topic, ask me. Okay, filtering is an easy way to find and work with subset of data in a range as it is temporarily hides data that you do not want to see. Which data, the data which is didn't want to see them, it can hide our data. Okay, a filtered range displayed only the rows and column that meet the specified condition criteria. It can only show the rows and column of the data. Okay, and these are the steps of filtration. On next day I will show you about this in practically. Okay, you can just read this topic carefully, and here are some keynotes. You can write it in your copy and also try to understand it and learn it. There are 3 types of filter: by list value, by format, by criteria. The 2 ways to filter data are filter and advanced filter. Okay, you can remember these keynotes. Okay students, and tomorrow or our next class we will discuss about remove filtering.